Hi guys, in this tutorial I'll be teaching you how to customize your Runelite client, and so all of these things like the inventory, the map, your chat window, all of that. So if we go to the plugin hub, we're wanting to search for resource packs, install. You see it created this icon on the right. So if you want, you can use these pre-existing themes. So if I install this one, for example, you'll see it automatically applies that theme. If you want to turn it off for whatever reason, you can go to the configuration tab, type resource packs, click the cogwheel, and then turn this off. Now, if you want to use a custom one that you have made yourself, that's the part that I'll be showing you today. So now that we've got it installed, if we go back, we right click resource packs, we can go support, and that will take us to the plugin page on the Runelite website. Now if you want to use a custom pack, you want to go here to creating a custom pack. If you want to read through all of this you can, or you can keep watching. So if we go back, so you want to download this vanilla pack, so click download and it will download a zip file which you want to extract to wherever on a folder on your computer. You can save it wherever you want. I saved mine here in documents under Runelite resource packs, and then I made an individual folder for the pack itself which I extracted it into called melpack. You can call this whatever you want, it doesn't matter. So it will look something like this. Now each of these folders is correlated to a different piece of the UI. So for example, if you play on fixed mode, you go to the fixed mode folder and it will contain all the different UI elements. I personally use resizable classic layout. So as you can see, I've got these custom ones already made. Now I used Photoshop to make these. You can use, if you want to use a free image editing software, I highly recommend GIMP, G-I-M-P. It's basically Photoshop but free and open source. So another thing you need to make sure of when you edit these is whatever software you use, you want to open it with that, either GIMP or Photoshop or your image editor of choice. And you need to make sure the dimensions of this image is the same, otherwise the UI will look weird in the Runelite client. So, and you can find that out by right-clicking it, going Properties, Details, and you'll see here it says the width and height. So you need to make sure that the width and height matches. The next thing you need for it to actually work is you need to make sure that you keep these file names the same. So side panel background default, if you change that name, it will no longer show in the side panel. It just won't show at all, and it will revert to the default. So make sure you do that. So once you've done this, you've found the relevant file for what you want to change. So just match it with the default client. It's pretty self-explanatory there. And then, so I've got this side panel background. So that's my inventory background, for example. Now that when you've done all of that, you want to go back into Runelite, go click on the Edit Plugin Configuration, and then you can define up to 3 custom packs. So I've got this one saved in melpack. What you want to do is left click to the right of the folder name, go copy, and then paste that in any one of these 3. And then to use that pack, you want to click this drop down at the top and go whatever one you put it in. So if you put it in path 2, select second, path 1, first, so on. So I'm going to go first, and you'll notice it uses my custom resource pack that I've defined in this folder. If you want to change any of the pictures in your pack at any time, I've found it doesn't always instantly update. You may need to, an easy way to get it to basically refresh is either turn it off and on again with this toggle at the top, or you can just switch like that from an empty one to a current one. So yeah, that's how you use the Resource Packs plugin. I hope that all made sense. Bye.